Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So what I'm going to do is show you how to put these twists into your own hair. I was just refreshing my outer corner. I've actually had these in for over a month now. So I just wanted to show you guys how to put them in on your own. It's actually very easy. This is one of my favorite protective styles because there's no knot, so it won't damage your roots. And I just feel like this style is a little easier to do. It's a little easier on your wrist and your hands than other styles are. So I'm going to I already have my hair parted because, like I said, I've had these in for over a month already. I'm just refreshing the edges to make it look a little better. So this is 2, so I'm going to show you twice how to do this. I'm going to hide that one. So what you do is you take your one section that you have made and part it into 2 sections. And please excuse any dandruff or anything. I am going to wash my hair later on. So then you take your strand of hair, and I always cut mine in half because I don't want like super long hair. So take your hair that's been split and then fold it over. And then you place, so fold it in half and stretch it out, and this top place here, this fold, this loop, you're going to put this against your scalp. So split your hair and put this against your scalp like that, and then you're going to hold it down, and then you're going to twist your hair this way, and then twist the other side in the opposite direction. So it doesn't matter which way you twist each side, just make sure that you twist both sides in the opposite direction. So twist it until it looks tight. And then I like to start doing a 2-strand twist at this point. And I keep twisting it while I do that. And then just do your regular, normal 2-strand twist all the way down. In my opinion, these are really fast to do. I do like doing these a lot more than I like doing box braids. And this hair is so lightweight, so that's also a plus. Alright, then I'm going to do my last one. So I have my section here. I'm just going to split this section in half again. So there it is, in half again. I'm taking my kinky hair. I'm going to fold this one strand in half. And then I'm going to take this loop and put it in the center of the 2 sections that I made with my hair. And I'm going to hold it down, and I'm going to start twisting one side in one direction. And my hand's in the way so you can't see, but twisting this in one direction, and then I'm taking this side and I'm going to twist it in the other direction. Until it's tight. Alright, so it's tight. So I'm going to just go ahead and start doing a regular 2-strand twist. I'm going to just twist it all the way down. And I feel feel like you can kind of tell where the fake hair is and where my hair is, just because I chose a color that was a little bit lighter than my actual hair color. But if I would have chose a darker color, this would have looked way more natural. So I still like the way this turned out though. But yeah, that's it. So that's the end of this tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you still feel like you need some more help with that, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll either make another video or I'll just comment, you know, more in depth how to do this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.